Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the next day after I've epoxied the two front sections of the stringers. I'm gonna flip you around here, show you. So this is kind of where I left off yesterday. I'm gonna go ahead and knock off the braces. The epoxy is like rock solid. It cured very well. I feel pretty comfortable with it. It only needs a few hours, and it's had all overnight. All right, I'm gonna knock the braces off and start working on this section right here, and then go ahead and epoxy that one. I'm running low on epoxy, but I should have enough to get those two boards epoxied in. So, all right, here we go. Laid in there pretty well. Pretty happy with that. I've got to sand it down and clean it up. Got just the resin. See how the resin kind of builds up on that. Just got to sand it down, and then this will get glassed over, and then glass in the bottom as well. Turned out good. I don't think it's going nowhere. All right, I got it. I'm sweating. It's pretty hot out here right now. I've got it pretty much epoxied in. I'm going to add a little bit more around the bottom on that last piece, but I've got it braced off pretty well. I've got to mix some more and put some more around the bottom of this. Try to fill that in like I did the front. Well, that's what it looks like when you epoxy something to something. All right, we'll keep at it. Alright guys, that's pretty much all I'm going to be able to do today. I've got my glass cut in for the stringers up front. I've got the glass cut in for the floor around the tank, as well as the tabbing that I'm going to need. Pretty much try to stage everything that I have. I've ordered some more surface cleaner. It's supposed to hopefully come in tomorrow or the next day. I really can't do anything until I get that. That's the last little bit that I used today. I've got some sanding to do. Once that epoxy dries up there, then I got to get back in there and sand it all down and get it ready, you know, to lay glass on it. So, but overall, it turned out really well. I'm pretty excited, you know, with that stringer, the way it worked out. I think it's going to, you know, support really well, and the deck won't go anywhere, especially once I glass it in and tab it. So it'll serve me well, I believe. All right, guys, y'all have a blessed day. Thanks for watching.